Are you into intense workouts? If you answered yes, how do you fuel yourself? Meaning, how do you optimize before, during, and after the exercises? In order to ensure peak performance, it is so important to put the right things in your body. Most people's go-to are energy drinks, bars, and gels. Lately, out of convenience, folks have been switching to energy blocks. The most common energy block is from the Clif brand. I have used these before for my cycling events, and they definitely are convenient as well as do the job. However, I always feel concerned about the ingredients, specifically the processed sugars. Additionally, I'm also always wondering where the products are sourced from. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your own energy blocks with just a few basics that you can pretty much get from your local store or Amazon. But the fun thing about this is you can add whatever you like or need to your energy block. Let's start this recipe. You will need to get a bowl and fill it with 6 ounces of water. Then you will get 6 sleeve packets of any kind of gelatin. I am using unflavored gelatin. If you can't consume animal products, I believe you can substitute with pectin. Once you have put the gelatin in the water, begin to stir it up so that it's even, and then set aside for about 10 minutes. Next, grab a medium saucepan and fill about a cup of sugar. I'm using date sugar, which is a natural energy booster. It's also rich in potassium, and it boosts muscle health as well. Next, add about 8 ounces of liquid sugar. I'm using pure maple syrup. Some other options are blackstrap molasses, agave, or honey. Next, you'll use about 3 tablespoons of sorbitol. Sorbitol is used to preserve moisture, add sweetness, and provide texture to the gummy. Mix those ingredients thoroughly together. At this stage, before transferring to the stove, you could add some additional ingredients. I'm showing these block chain amino acids, which are great for workouts, before, during, after. And then, of course, electrolytes. One thing, side note with BCAAs, I did read that they are more effective under high heat for some reason. Before adding anything, I would definitely check labels to make sure that everything is safe. Now it's time to take your saucepan to the stove. Bring it up to medium heat and allow the sugars to simmer. Make sure to stir well to break down all the sugar crystals. Once you feel like it's all broken down, remove the pan from the heat. At this point, you can add some citric acid. Citric acid will add that sour or tartness to the gummy. Be careful of the amount unless you really love sour gummies. I used about 2 teaspoons. Now it's time to add your gelatin to the mixture. The heat of the mixture should dissolve the gelatin. Be sure to stir it all evenly. After it's dissolved, let the pot cool for about 10 minutes or so. After about 10 minutes, a film will form on the top. Remove that film and discard. Next, grab a strainer and strain the mix into a measuring cup or pouring pitcher. Since I used date sugar, it was pretty thick and needed some encouragement to get all the way through. Now you are ready to transfer your gel mixture to a mold. I'm using an ice mold here, but you can pretty much find anything online these days. Heck, if you want to make them into gummy bears, you can do that too. Before placing the fluid in, be sure to spray the mold with some oil. Finally, place your blocks in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours. And there you go, your very own healthy and delicious energy blocks. Package them up and take them wherever you go when you need to fuel before, during, and after your workouts. Thank you for watching this video. Please look for the recipe and other information in the description. Be also sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and check out some of my other videos. Also, if you make this recipe, please comment below on what you used to make your own energy blocks. I would love to hear what you used and how effective it is in your own workouts.